Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Studio for coding in 2026. If you want AI to help you write code, debug errors, explain programming concepts, or generate code snippets, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to Google AI Studio using your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, click New Prompt or Create Prompt to begin a new session. Next, choose a Gemini model from the available options. Select the model that best fits your coding task, whether you're working with Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Java, C++, or another programming language. Now type a detailed prompt describing exactly what you need. For example, you can ask the AI to write a function, explain an error message, optimize existing code, or create a complete program. Next, click the Run or Generate button and wait for the AI to produce the code. Read the response carefully and review the generated code before using it in your project. If the output isn't exactly what you need, refine your prompt by adding more details, specifying the programming language, or explaining the expected result. Then generate another response. Always test the generated code in your development environment to make sure it works correctly and meets your project's requirements. Finally, save your best prompts so you can reuse them for future coding projects and improve your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Google AI Studio for coding step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.